Hello all, myself Shashant Rathore. I'm a plus educator on Unacademy. In this video, I'll be discussing with you about the upcoming weekend batch crash course for CAT 2020, which is starting from 9th May. As you will go to the Unacademy app or Unacademy website, you can go to the batches section. As you will scroll down, you will find the link for the upcoming weekend batch course, which is starting from 9th May. This course is taken by myself, Shashant Rathore, Mr. Raghavendra Pratap Singh, and Abhilasha Swaroop, ma'am. Talking about the faculties, Abhilasha Swaroop, ma'am, is having a experience of 21 years. She is an expert in VARC and vocabulary. She's a writer, she's a columnist, etc. Mr. Raghavendra Pratap Singh is having an experience of 20 years. He's an MSc in mathematics and he teaches concepts from the very basic, and he also teaches the time saving tricks which are required for the exam also. About myself, I've scored 99.76 percentile in CAT 2019. I have a total experience of 2 years for CAT. I'm working as a Python developer and data analyst, and I'm pursuing my PhD in mathematics. Abhilasha Swaroop ma'am will be conducting the VARC portion for the batch, which is starting from 9th May. Raghavendra Pratap Singh sir is starting with the DI part, and from 23rd of May, I'll be starting with the algebra part of the course. In algebra, I'll be teaching you quadratic equation, linear equation in two variables, then logarithm, functions and graph, coordinate geometry, and sequence and series. In this course, algebra part, which is I am taking, I'll teach you how one topic is related with other also. For example, linear equation in two variables is connected with coordinate geometry. Quadratic equation, polynomial and function and graph are interrelated. Logarithm and function and graph are also interrelated. Linear equation can also be used, and quadratic equation can also be used for your sequence and series. So basically, the motto of the course is to develop and build strong base for every student who is appearing for CAT 2020. The main motto of the batch is that, and be regular in classes, and let's crack it. Thank you.